Ever wondered if you could mix and match Apple Pay and Google Pay like peanut butter and jelly? Let's find out. Unfortunately, the short answer is no. You can't. Apple Pay and Google Pay are like two separate walled gardens. Apple Pay is specifically designed to work within Apple's ecosystem, which includes iPhones, Apple Watches, and Macs. It's tightly integrated with iOS for security and ease of use. On the other hand, Google Pay is built for the Android world. It's compatible with a wide range of Android devices and also deeply connected to Google's services. These two payment platforms are not interoperable. You cannot add your Apple Pay cards to Google Pay, or vice versa. They are direct competitors locked into their respective operating systems. So, if you're using an iPhone, you're all set with Apple Pay for contactless payments. And if you're Team Android, Google Pay is your go-to digital wallet. Think of it this way: Apple Pay for Apple devices and Google Pay for Android each offers a seamless and secure payment experience within its own ecosystem. So while both offer convenient ways to pay, they're confined to their own playgrounds.